It's freezing. It's cold. It's supposed to be nice and 14 degrees. Alexa lied to me and said it was 14 degrees, but it's freezing. We were out for a walk. I'm out for a walk with the family, and it's Friday. It's Good Friday. So everybody's home and we're just enjoying a nice walk. Yeah, so this is the beginning of the long weekend. We might go get some ice cream or hot chocolate or something. It's funny because you don't know what to get. Do you get ice cream? Do you get hot chocolate? It's spring. It's supposed to be spring, but it kind of feels like fall. All right. Marley is so cute.
Did they actually put it unplug? Did they put those things on top of the floor for the kitchen?
This way?
That way.
This way? Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice here. The water. It's so nice. Look at that. Whee!
Marley. She did. She got pooping. What'd she do? I can't see you.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna record your video.
Why? Look how great my hair is. Should I color it? So, we walked to the store and we got some drinks, and I got this G-Fit tropical mango electrolyte drink. So I usually just drink water, but this actually has potassium, sodium, and some B vitamins, and it's sweetened with stevia. I don't really like stevia, but this is actually has the best ingredients. It's got real watermelon juice in it, which, wait a minute, why does it have water? That's hilarious. Water, concentrated, clarified watermelon juice, yet it is mango flavor. I just noticed that, but that's okay. It's better than getting Gatorade full of sugar, stuff like that. So I got this, and I saw this protein cookie. They have protein cookies with 20 grams of protein. What? I don't have a sweet tooth, but I think I might try that protein cookie. Tell me what you guys drink when you're on the go and you need to get an electrolyte drink. Tell me what you like to get. All right. And also, please subscribe and comment and like and share. And I don't like to ask, but it would be nice. But if you don't want to, that's okay.